So I suppose the question is, have you ever wondered how people get those really cool and unique POV camera shots? You know, the ones where both the subject's hands are in shot. These are pretty cool and unique, right? Well, for me personally, I really like these types of shots. Even though they are fairly basic, they do have a lot of interest, as I feel like the viewer really gets to experience the scene through the eyes of the subject, as you're seeing both the hands in shot and seeing what they're interacting with. And to be honest, it's a really easy thing to create, and all you need is this contraption here. Well, specifically the TELESIN Magnetic Neck Mount for phones. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a neck mount with a MagSafe phone holder already attached to it. So we put it around our neck, then we add our phone, and voila! A super quick and easy way to get POV shots with your phone. And being MagSafe means your phone can be mounted in any orientation, from landscape YouTube videos to portrait for all your social content needs. And the arm with the MagSafe attached is also jointed, which means it's pretty easy to get your phone in the right position. But if you look closely, you'll notice that there isn't a way of tightening or loosening these joints, so hopefully they will stay firm indefinitely. And like I said, the way your phone attaches to it is through MagSafe, so super quick and easy and super secure. It doesn't feel like your phone is going to come flying off, which is really good. But if you don't have a new iPhone with MagSafe or even an iPhone, then don't worry that they've actually got you covered, as they also supply a MagSafe adapter which you can stick to any other phone or phone case, which I think is a really nice touch to have included in the box. So this isn't just made for iPhones. And to pop this neck strap on and off, you'll see that there is a quick release button on the side which releases this clip. And when you snap it closed, this clip feels nice, solid and secure. I just feel like the size of this neck strap is a little bit of an odd size and possibly a little bit too small. Because it's too small just to pop on and off of our heads, we have to use that clip every single time we want to take it on and off, which is fine and it is easy to do. But if they made it just a little bit bigger, then we could just pop it on and off of our heads without the need of using this quick release clip. But anyway, the strap that goes around your neck has an aluminium wire going through it, so we can actually bend it and twist it to help get it into position, or even bundle it up to be able to put it into a pocket or a bag. Also, this means that we could actually use it as a makeshift tripod, or use it to wrap it around things similar to a bendy gorilla pod, even though I don't think it's been designed for that purpose. But using it how you're supposed to, you'll also notice that it has a skin-friendly silicone exterior, so no worries about it irritating your skin, and it's actually really nice and soft to touch. And also the back of the mount has the same soft silicone padding on it too, so it sits nicely and it's soft on your chest, which is ideal if you're going to be using it whilst walking around and it's going to be bouncing around a little bit. So let's quickly look at a few use cases. For me personally, I'd only use this for fairly stationary shots like unboxing, slow walking, some photography, vlogging, or anything that isn't too vigorous. This is not made for extreme activities like running, biking, skateboarding, or anything like that. Even though this magnet is super strong and it feels like it's really going to hold your phone, I just feel like one odd jolt with it could easily pop it off the magnet and your phone could smash on the floor, which is the last thing we want. But they also sell a max version, which comes with an extra chest strap to hold the mount a little bit more secure around your neck. I don't actually have that version, I just have the normal one, but that strap will just stop the mount from bouncing around. It won't make the actual magnet any stronger. But if you're thinking you want to do a bit more extreme activities, in the box they do supply a small strap which we can loop around the neck piece, which would catch your phone if it does come loose. Phones don't have a way of connecting this strap to them, so I do feel like it's a little bit pointless. But you might actually have a phone or a phone case that this could actually attach to, and if that is the case, then I would definitely recommend using it, because if your phone does fall off, it will catch it. But for me, I don't even use a phone case, I prefer my phone naked. But if you do have a phone case, it needs to be quite a thin phone case. If it is a thin phone case, then the MagSafe will still work through it. But obviously if it's a thick leather one with your credit cards in or something, then that's not going to work because the magnet's not going to be strong enough to go through all of that, but a thin phone case will still work nicely on here. So let's now quickly take a look at 3 negatives and 3 positives about this neck strap. And the first negative is what I just mentioned. Being magnetic means that it could drop your phone at any moment, so you won't want to be doing anything too vigorous. 2, being on a neck strap basically means that we have to use our shoulders and our body in an upright position to get the shot. If we bend down with it, then it's just going to basically rock around and it's going to be impossible to get any decent shot. And 3, if you're going to be walking around with this and your phone is going to be moving around, then you need to have some pretty decent stabilization built into the phone. If you've got an older iPhone or an older phone which doesn't have good stabilization, then the actual shots that this is going to be getting is going to be pretty unusable. That's why I said it needs to be done with quite unvigorous activities. But the first of the 3 pros would be that it is super easy to get unique shots. Number 2 would be that it feels nice and secure with a really high build quality. And number 3 would be that it is not just for iPhones with MagSafe. It comes with that extra magnetic mount, meaning that any phone will work. And a bonus pro would be that if you're on a train or a long flight or just feeling super lazy, that you could actually use this to watch YouTube videos or play games on your phone. But overall, I'm actually really impressed with this thing, and I could definitely see myself using it more and more in the future to get some really cool and unique shots. And for the price of around about £30, I don't think that you can really go wrong. And if you are interested in picking one of these up, I've added all the links in the description down below. And I suppose the question is, if you had one of these, what shots would you like to film with it? I would love to know in the comment section down below. And thank you TELESIN for sending me this product over for a review. And if you found this video interesting and informative, a like and subscribe would be really appreciated. And until next time, keep on creating.